Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Guys, you have to go and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday! And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout the year. And for all my other lovelies out there, you know how it goes. You have one life to live. Keep that smile upon your face and don't let anyone take that away from you. Remember that you are in position to either give someone your joy or you keep it. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
So 99, you're being fake. You're being fake. Acting so self-righteous, drawing down people clothes, if it's too short, fixing people breasts and all kind of something. Then what kind of hypocritical, demonic, concealing them the type of way that you come out here behave? And you wasn't even dipping in the water like me, who baptized in 2012 on Easter Sunday. And I've been going to church all my life. Then what kind of game playing that you were playing? And come to find out you have never been baptized. And you were coming out here. People thought that you were a Christian. And you was a Christian. Me is a turn back. Me is a backslide a little bit to the left. But me not fully come out of church. Then how is it me not understand you come out here? Then Mr. Elliston, you could tell me say all that rotted clad time. Me not calling a pastor. You have been advising somebody and preaching over them all these years, and she wasn't a Christian? And she wasn't a Christian? Coming out here condemning people of them clothes that them are wear, and all this time you're focusing on that girl coming to our yard taking money. Now I realize it's only the money that fly up in your head. You betray God, sir. Do you know that you need to go down upon a 7-day, you need to go upon a 30-day fasting for what you have been concealing? Coming on social media preaching for somebody, going down there praying and predicting over your life, over somebody's life, and knowing that this girl never baptized because of money and your licky self? So you sold God out. You sold God words for money when God words supposed to be free. I wonder why she never touched all these years to get baptized by you. Because all this known, it was a fraud and deceiving the people. And you know that it was wrong because I called you out a few months ago and I tell her to stop it. When she was going to Mexico or whatever, I said, don't take no money from her. But I have get a glimpse on the video that taken place yesterday. I haven't got the full, but I saw some clipping that was highlighted from a different page. Sir, I am ashamed of you and disappointed in you as a man of God. And you need to go to God and sow some sort of sacrifice for deceiving the world that look up to you and the amount of people who call you to pray for them and you get money from them and take it because you're licky. It looked like it two of you was playing games and working together based on what I saw. Because the one Donna make one piece of ass mockery out of you on social media yesterday. While you were predicting to the girl, she was talking to you. At the first me ever see somebody speak to a pastor like that. When you always speaking to a pastor, you always have a little respect. But the girl not have no respect for you. She was making a mockery out of you. Even have the nerve to push up her mouth. I was so disturbed to see how the girl push up her mouth after you. The whole time you talk, she's mocking you and want you to go straight to the point. What a disturbing, disgusting girl you is, Dana. You're nobody. God is going to fix you one of this day. Can you imagine you carry a man of God into your little scheming and carry the man on social media making a mockery out of him? Eh? Look at your lips. pushing up your lip after the man, mocking the man. Oh, nobody now speak about that. When you, because so that's the way she a push up her lip as a Jamaican. She was making a mockery out of the man. See her mouth here push up. That means that she don't want to tell the man to go right to the point. I have never seen me would have never talked to Bishop Morgan like that. Me could have never go to King's Chapel and talk to the pastor like that. You talk to the pastor like, you know, when somebody pay somebody money and you give him up a money and you tell the man, you want the man to tell you exactly you want to hear, if you say, for boast and show off and say the ticket them sold out. Like you want the man to say, yes, you're special. It's only you alone can sell out a ticket pan Eventbrite, bam, just like that. To make him, Donna, do you know that Satan give gift? Huh? Do you know that Satan gives some of the best gift out there, but them don't last? Do you know that? Do you know that, Donna, that Satan give some, why you think all them rap artists there get through life, them soul to the devil, and then at the end of them journey, them dead tragedy with not even a dollar upon them sometime? Why you come on social media, Donna, and making a mockery out of the people them? One day the planker people and where you call planker is going to see right through you and them going to de-planker themselves. You don't have no respect, Donna. You is one of them, somebody there, you're greedy for money and you're greedy for fame. And money shall be your downfall. And this Facebook fame shall be your downfall. Because you carry the man on social media yesterday and you take your mouth and me know see a lot of people see it. And you push up your mouth. I have never seen nobody come on social media pan video come push up their mouth after one pastor man like that. One of the reasons why, because you give him so much money to come up and predict things over your life when nothing go so. When I tell us nothing no go so. You understand? Because I tell us Satan give good gift too. A Satan carry some good gift out there right now, but they are temporarily. They are not permanent. Because God give, when God give you a gift, you have to work on it. God don't give you something like that, bam. So even the greatest singer, them have to make sure so they protect them voice. Them have to wrap them voice with a scarf around them neck. Them have to protect it from cold. Them have to keep drinking water. Them not just go on and sing. So as soon as them done sing, them have to make sure so them throat tie up with something. Me watch the gospel artists them before them come on stage sometime. Then drink lemon juice. When Satan give you something, you not even have to maintain nothing. You just go on out there and go on with pure foolishness. But when God give you something, you have to work on it. Him not love to give. God love a challenge. That is one of the reasons why he pick up the disciple them who decided to walk with him. Him not pick up no punk. Him pick up people who are challenged, who wasn't of God. Because him want to say, yes, me can't clean up anybody, but you don't want to clean up. How dare you make a mockery out of the pastor man like that? Pastor Elliston, you too licky. I tell you from last year, stop taking money from Donna. You're not going to see heaven gate, sir, if you keep taking money and false prophecy over our life. This is not, you know, said her type of things what she going on with is not natural. You know that yourself. And you come on social media and you make woman sit down there. Look how careless girl, I push him out after you claim say you're a big pastor and travel United States and all over the place. And you make a woman sit down on them big veranda and I push up them out after you and I talk to you like that, like say some like a dirty boy. Like him, basically I talk to you like how him talk to him boy them in the yard. No, me no want to hear nothing more. Me want to hear when me tell you if you say, me no want to hear you tell me say rain a go fall tomorrow. Tell me say the sun a go shine. Me no want you hear me tell say rain is going to fall on the day when me a keep me gala. Me want you tell me say it's going to be bright all day. People going to show up by the hundred and the thousands and that you want to hear. But coupon you Dana. Coupon look how far you come from. Butterfoot girl. Eh? And you come and disrespect a man of God. We all know that Jamaica have a lot of churches out there. And a lot of churches are out there struggling. get a little money. And when you can get a little change in your hand, but you cannot pay somebody to protect over your life. You cannot, because you can't buy your way in at the pearly gate. So you're telling me that you're paying the man to tell you sweet nothing to your years old. And when the man decided saying want to be honest with you and tell you something, you're insulting the man by pushing up your mouth. And I say, all right, just talk. Just make them know why. We make them know what after him and a rotted God. Him and no God. Why are you forcing him to tell you that you better than everybody else? No, you ain't better than nobody else. You ain't richer than nobody else. You ain't sexy and hotter than nobody else. You want that man because him say, my God. Not because him say, Mr. Man of God, now he's a human being. We is sinner and come short of the glory of God every day. Him not special more than nobody else just because. Every people all out there when a pastor more holier than your pastor. Your pastor has been doing wrong. One of the things that he has been doing, accepting money from you that you know you didn't earn properly. Because not all money that you have donated to him come from your cake. That was one thing. Me not hear him come and participate in giving back to his communities or even try to involve and push you to be more progressive in your community. Look at that man, Burger. Look at Burger and Mother's Day, where you should be doing. Big up to Burger. Him going a Mountain View, same place in a Mountain View. And you never know say Burger was doing that. And Burger go in at the middle of the road and put up tent and chairs. And the community come together. Which is it, you could have done that also. You could have taken your big driveway if you were loved and people accept you. You could have done the same thing. Go put the chairs them in front of your big driveway where you take over government property. And you could have get some little chair and even invite 20 people have a Mother's Day dinner. And Burger do it and the community come together. And then I was so inspired by it when I saw those people. They took water bottle and them spray it and put little flowers in there to decorate it. And they have a little stage and block off the road. You could have blocked off your little ghetto lane too, right in front of your yard. You have a long piece of walkway right there, so you could have invite at least 20 persons or 30 persons could have walk right in front of your house and do it. And to see that Burger did that, I glad Burger are the best thing ever do. Me say me glad he never come to her. Because should have take all the credit. Should have take all the credit for that wonderful community Mother's Day that you have given back with everybody come together. Me glad say you never go to her. Me glad say you never go to her and ask her for no form of help. Because you wouldn't stop here it, oh, she do this, and oh, she do that, and oh, she did this. But how dare you? Me not even, I couldn't even, when I saw a glimpse of it, about maybe 2 seconds, I off a page me I watch it on. I go on a blogging page. I got up at heaven, I haven't watched it, the original. When me saw the little 2-second clip of it, and when she push up her mouth for the man, and I tell the man, say, I talk to the man like that. How you come to talk to man like that? You a gangster. He come like say you rule the man. It look like say the way you talk to the man and control. It's like you control Mr. Elliston. Me not calling the pastor. It come like say the power where you talk to that man. If Sunday church a keep and you sit down and do your live, and you don't want to hear no church noise in your background, it look like say if you go out and tell them, say, listen, Pastor Elliston, me I beg you tappy music right now, come up on my live. Him have it tappy. That's how me see it. Anybody see it, so put up some love. Anybody see it, so put up some love. No, sir. No, me dear. Put up some love. It come like say the power and when me see you talk to that man a while ago. Give me some star people and give me some super chat. When me see you talk to that man a while ago. Me forget to turn on back the me forget to turn on back. Me forget to turn on back the speaker on the phone. When I reach they must go over this a channel I go look. When I realize hello, as that's the way me I do it. When me tell us I need 100 for start, If one no reach 100, me I start pan the one reach 100 and put the other one pan mute. So I better make sure say on YouTube we not come with the same number. So me turn off, me forget say them not them it might turn off, and I chat, Make them stay there, yes man. So me I say to myself, say, the way you talk to the man, you are disrespectful, Dana. Him too ras, licky. I am here to tell you this Sunday evening, Mr. Elliston, from a church of Jamaica. You're too licky. Me tell you last time, I'm warn you. I know every money you take. You love money too much. How you expect the other church sisters them in your church to feel, knowing that are any pastors or committees that you form in your church? How you expect them to feel when you're growing at a yard and she giving you all the money there? Do you share it with the congregation? I don't think so. Special favor. How you feel if you know that you have members in the church who are speaking in tongues and come to church every Sunday, cleaning up the church? Have she ever come there and volunteer to sweep up the church? No. Have she ever come there and participate in anything, even for sing? And all this time, sir, you coming up and praying for this woman and portraying like this a woman that was a member of your church, when a member of your church, when she was a member of a warm bench as a sinner? Eh? All this time, I said what into darkness must comes into light. All this time, she was just a member of warm in your bench and was not a member of your church. And you come up here and fool the people as if this ras girl was baptized and a guani so, and she never been baptized. This is beyond fraud. None we put in the piece together. None we all put in the piece together. It was staged from long time between you and her to come up here and pretend like she was a Christian, because when people see you as a Christian, they will donate more money. And this was staged between you and her, and that's why she keep on paying you for you to come to the house and pray and pray. Well, God no answer bad prayer. And as I tell you, Satan love when time when you play with God like that. Satan love when time when you mock God like that. And you see when time when you come out and mock God like that, what happen? Satan is going to bless you. So you see like 99 blessing where she get in come from God. Come from God. That's why a little blessing when I get behind closed door. When God open doors for me, I feel appreciate them. Because guess me tell you something, when them come in at the right time. I mean I go be in a mother bad pan. Me not fi call pan no pastor. Me not fi call pan no deacon. Me not fi dash no salt this song do a ritual. It just come pan the right time when God send the right people in my life. This is one of the reasons why me get fight, pan top of fight. Because God people them have to suffer. The real and true living God people them have to suffer. Them have to go through the wilderness. And that is the reason why I know I get fight out here. Because I know I'm special. Because every day I have to go through the wilderness. And when me look on them class, me out here and say me not have nothing. But when I look to the east and I look to the west, and when me want something, and God said, yes, I am coming to give it to you without nobody now have to pray for me. Him just send